ngikhuluma ngenkinga ye-migration. Abantu umuntu uhleze ecinga impilo engcono. Ukuphi la ngathola khona amadlela ahlaza ukuze umndeni wami.
I don't understand ukuthi uMsizulu inkosi yethu yakaZulu ukuthi lento lenkulumo ihlangana naphi nathi because thina silona abantu undocumented and futhi abasihlukumezayo emphakathini wakwethu, like they do all these sorts of things. And why thina should we sibacabangele manje? La kushuthi la nkulumo leyana ithi uKing Msizulu kaZulu ithini has urged Zulu people to stop attacking foreign nationals, warning that xenophobic violence damages South Africa's image. There is no xenophobic violence, guys. Why should we go to xenophobic and could endanger South Africans living elsewhere in Africa? Most of them are South Africans that are outside of the country. They are actually working as professional. Akekho umuntu oyiphara wase South Africa, Nigeria, Congo, Malawi, Zimbabwe. Akekho umuntu. I guarantee that there's nobody onjalo, or maybe there's some drugs or something like that. South African living elsewhere. Speaking at the International Day of Yoga in Durban, he called for migration challenges. Wa-addressa ukuthi leyo nto ukuthi thina masibahlasela noma sibabuza kuzobe kuyinto unlawful. Well, kusho-ke iking yethu yakaZulu, all of a sudden everybody has an opinion. Nazo asimuzwe ngoba phela manje asazi kuyabonjwa kuze umhla 30 manje yonke into isishintshile mfethu, manje wonke umuntu imaka king. Okay, King.
Ngathola khona amadlela ahlaza ukuze umndeni wami uphile bakwethu. Ngizongicela maZulu.
Nathi siyacela badla inkosi yethu ukuthi lento le bekufanele ngabe you address it a long time ago, just before even kuze kufike iMarch and March. You already knew about this situation, but you kept quiet only because we are approaching manje umhla 30 and now you are saying something. Anyway, guys, before I carry on with the video, please support my movement, a blind comedy show. Izobela phela ngomhla 25 June, sizobe sisebinbek eMorningside alongside uCeleste. Amathikithi atholakala go 160 kanti azoba 200 rands nyango. The description link for yamathikithi ngizoyishare lapha ku description area. Now just carry on with the show. Uthi laphayana ufield Negro uyaphapalaza uba yedwa, so he means people must break our laws because of poverty in their country, also unemployed, but we don't do crime or even illegally jump borders. Uyaganga indodana kaMdlokomane. I agree with you 100%. Like I told you before, guys, there is no one who says South Africa okuthiwa uyipara is breaking the law outside of the country. Everybody like South Africa upuma ene visa, upuma eyosebenza, or it's just a trip, or maybe it's just a vacation. It has never ever been someone nothing mina ngicikekile South Africa ngendlela eyiyona, let me just go and go to abantu base Mozambique. It has never been like that. Let's hear what the king says. Waphela naye manje sefanele
ngikhuluma sizoselembe
sokubeka kahle
theki igazi ningabashayi laba bantu
thina sihluphekile yini
njengoba nathi sihluphekele.
Now uyazi nje kodwa manje why are you saying bese sokuhlupheka bazohlupha mo?
Nami ngiyahluphekela na uhluphekile ngizakuthini ke mina ngoba suthi izohlupheka sonke, ingakho sikule nkinga esikuyo namhlanje, kodwa akusho ukuthi bese sibashaya.
My king, akekho umuntu uthe bazoshawa. My problem is that ngendlela oyibeka ngayo, it's just like you are saying wena asibe okay nalabantu abokufika. Yes, kuzokwenzeka kube khona ukushayisana kwamaguzu and then somebody will gonna end up maybe sinezinto besingalindele. But the best thing for them to avoid ukushayisana kwamaguzu wena kaMdlokombane is for them to just leave the country and go back. Maybe funa ukubuya they can reapply bathole visa bas because most abantu abalaba nama visa ashe ezinye izinto but benze ezinye izinto. Like abanye beze nge-asylum, abanye beze ngokuzofunda, abanye beze ngani kodwa bona babona ama-tuck shop nazo zonke into legcwele isitawu. You have never said anything about that.
Khuluma mina nophakela umthakathi. Nongizwe. Amuzukushawa umuntu. Akekho umuntu ufuna ukuza ubuhlungu. Angazi noma kumele ngikhulume ngayo le yoga le esihlangane angazi kulimi le yoga likhulunywa kanjani mina. Futhi umuntu angifuna uphakamisa umlenze wenze njani.
Thina siphakamisa isandla wena kaMdlokombane, siphakamisa isandla wena weZulu ukuthi sithi abangaphinde babuye abahambe. Yayibona into esishoyo. But there are so many comments that afikile lapha ku Twitter that I would like to read ngoba abantu abaningi abahambisani nalento eshiwo isilo. Okay. Ngoba manje inkosi isho kunye thina sifuna ukwenza okunye. Nansi enye tweet la. Utebelo says Phakela Mthakathi visited South Africa. Phakela Mthakathi visited South African youth who are drug addicts because of foreigners. This guy never said anything. All of them, they are quick to speak against South Africans. No one is addressing issues raised by us. Something is wrong. These people la abasidingi ngempela. Shuthi khona omunye nje uthe shuthi ngcono sibashiye naloko izwe lethu ke bona bayidlalele thina sihambe siyokwenye indawo ngoba siphela ngempela sesabathe sithi siyalwa kukhona abantu ababavikelayo. All of a sudden bonke labantu laba mali bavikela labantu. All of a sudden Julius Malema naye usho kwakhe ufuna ukuthi nje sibavikele sekuyinkosi ama-political parties like ufikile Mbalula leaders asikhulumela nje into esingayazi. So KZN, I don't understand ukuthi what's going on. What do you really think is going to happen ngomhla ka-30? Do you really think the king intayishilo iyasiza noma naye udlala ngathi? Please leave a comment, quick comment section. Make sure you subscribe and also like and share the video. But before you leave, guys, like I told you, 25 this coming Thursday, sizobe silapha Celeste Ntuli kwi-Blind Date comedy show ezobe ilapha ePinback Morning Site ngomhla 25 June. Ama-tickets, like I said, 160. A web ticket or a Pick and Pay or ungaya nje uzowathola emnyango, which I doubt because we're gonna sell out this show azobe 200 rand. The link for ama-ticketing is share khona lapha kwi description. Thank you so much for watching. You are watching DOP Durban Online Podcast with Fly Motion.